Good day, everyone. My name is Catherine Joyce A. Palalon from BSHM 101E. And before we start, let's tackle first about the philosopher named René Descartes. René Descartes was born on March 31, 1596 in France. He was a famous philosopher, mathematician, and a scientist. He is often called the father of modern philosophy because his ideas help shape how people think about knowledge and reason. Isa sa mga famous theories niya ay ang cogito ergo sum, which means I think, therefore I am. This idea shows that thinking is a proof of our own existence. René Descartes believed that through thought and reason, we can find truth. And now that we know a bit of his background, let's now proceed to our podcast discussion.
Good day, everyone. We are Group 4 from BSHM 101 ng Pagapulan Arts and Life. I'm Janila Vitaliera.
I'm Diana Pangilina.
And I'm Dustin Bergoyton.
And today, we're making podcast about the philosopher that we choose. So guys, sino ba yung pinili natin? Si René Descartes. René Descartes. And first question is, what interest catches us from choosing René Descartes? Guys, ba't ba natin siya pinili? May idea ka ba, Python?
Dahil kilala siya bilang ama ng makabagong filosofiya at sikat sa kanyang pahayag na cogito ergo sum o I think therefore I am.
And about you, Belen? Tayong mag-reflect sa sarili. Parang Tagalog ng I think therefore I am. Sa tingin ko, ako ay. And how about you?
Naka-influensya siya dati sa kanyang mga idea tungkol sa pag-iisip at kaalaman. Tapos yung I think therefore I am nagtuturo to para sa pag-iisip at pag-unawa ay mahalaga sa paghahanap ng katotohanan.
Yes, sa pag-unawa talaga, lalo na yung pagbibigay natin ng pata. Okay, yung question natin sa number 2. At what point can it help you in understanding yourself? Kasi nga, di ba, yung, paano ba yung sabihin mo, what point? Ito, yung self-awareness. Yes, self-awareness, no? Natutulungan ko nito para sa decision making ko. Tulad ng pag-iisipan ko muna yung gagawin mo. Kasi in every difficulties, mamimili talaga tayo in either good or bad way para lang sa magiging tamang result. But even it's good or bad, we're still doing the try and error. Especially, how about you?
It helped me understand better than as a student by encouraging critical thinking. I think therefore I am reflect on my thoughts, beliefs, and values. Tapos parang nagiging mas aware ako sa sarili ko. Especially sa mga strength and weaknesses ko, nalalaman ko kung ano yung mga ganun ko.
Decision making talaga tayo about ourselves. How about you? Do you have any idea, Python?
Tinutulungan ako ng filosofiya niya na maunawaan ang aking sarili sa pamamagitan ng pag-iisip ng malalim.
Yes, just like that. And also, the last question is, since yung philosophy na pinili natin is si René Descartes, what did you learn and discover about yourself? So, I think, it's better to understand ourselves because kasi in the end, sarili lang din naman natin yung makakasama natin And tayo lang din ang makakaintindi at makakaunawa. Just like the try and error lang tayo. And also, how about you guys? Do you have understanding?
Sa akin, nakakatulong yung personal. Tulad ng sinabi niya, self-awareness is key talaga. Kapag, mahalaga talaga yun.
Talaga yun. At this age talaga, puro decision making tayo at sa pagtukoy sa sarili natin. And how about you? Do you have understanding?
Pagtuto sa sarili ko kasi ibig sabihin ng pagtuto sa sarili parang pinag-isip mo ba magagawin mo
About the fighting?
Natutunan ko na may kakayahan pala ako mag-isip mag-isa, gumawa ng mga tirang desisyon. Natuklasan ko rin na ang pag-unawa sa sarili ay nagsimula sa pagtatanong sa aking mga paniniwala, kilos at motivations.
And that's all our understanding. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.